Hey PTE aspirants! Welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for mastering the PTE Academic and PTE Core. In today's video, we're diving into a fresh Retell lecture practice, just like you'll face in the real exam. I'll play the lecture first, and then you'll hear the perfect model response, so you can boost your fluency, content, and pronunciation scores. Make sure you grab a notebook for keywords, because this is your moment to practice like a pro. And hey, before we dive in, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a single practice session that could make all the difference in your PTE results. Genetic engineering holds great promise in medicine, agriculture, and environmental protection, but it raises significant ethical concerns. Altering DNA challenges natural processes and raises questions about human identity and the moral treatment of modified organisms. Issues of consent arise, especially since changes in embryos affect future generations without their approval. There is risk of social inequality, as access to genetic enhancements may favor the wealthy, creating genetic divides. The possibility of designer babies raises fears of eugenics and loss of diversity. Ecological risks exist from releasing genetically modified species. Ethical oversight, transparency, public engagement, and global cooperation are essential to ensure responsible use, balancing innovation with moral responsibility. The lecture explained that genetic engineering offers benefits, but poses ethical challenges like interfering with natural life and affecting future generations without consent. It may increase inequality and raise eugenics fears. Environmental impacts are also a concern. Careful oversight and public discussion are needed to use this technology responsibly and ethically. The evolution of communication technology has transformed how people connect over time, starting with the telegraph in the 1830s, which sent coded messages via electrical signals over wires. The invention of the telephone by Alexander Graham Bell in 1876 allowed real-time voice communication, revolutionizing personal and business interaction. The discovery of radio waves enabled wireless transmission, followed by television that combined audio and visual media to reach mass audiences. Later, computers and the internet created a digital revolution, enabling instant global exchange of text, images, and video. Mobile networks and smartphones now provide connectivity anywhere, making communication faster, more versatile, and accessible, shaping society and economy worldwide. The lecture described communications evolution from the telegraph, which sent coded messages over wires, to the telephone, enabling real-time voice calls. Radio introduced wireless broadcasts, and television added visuals. Computers and the internet revolutionized global communication. Today, mobile devices provide instant connectivity everywhere, transforming society and business. Space exploration offers benefits far beyond planetary science. Economically, it drives job creation, innovation, and new industries, with NASA alone generating billions in economic output and hundreds of thousands of jobs across the United States. Many everyday technologies like GPS, water purification, medical devices, and solar panels originated from space research. Space-based observation improves disaster response, climate monitoring, and agricultural planning. It fosters international cooperation and inspires education in STEM fields. Additionally, exploring space enhances humanity's ability to prepare for global threats, such as asteroid impacts, and pushes the boundaries of knowledge, ultimately benefiting society and the economy. The lecture explained that space exploration boosts the economy by creating jobs and innovation. Technologies like GPS and medical tools come from space research. It helps with disaster response, environmental monitoring, and international cooperation. Space also inspires science education and prepares us for threats like asteroids, benefiting society widely beyond science. Climate change severely impacts global biodiversity by altering habitats, disrupting ecosystems, and accelerating species extinction. Rising temperatures cause habitat loss on land and in oceans, with polar ice melting and coral reefs bleaching, threatening marine life. Changing rainfall patterns, extreme weather, and desertification further degrade terrestrial habitats. Species migrate toward cooler areas, but many cannot adapt quickly enough, leading to population declines. Climate change also intensifies wildlife disease and human-wildlife conflicts. Loss of biodiversity weakens ecosystems' ability to support life, including human food security and climate regulation. Urgent action is needed to mitigate climate change and protect biodiversity for planetary health. The lecture said climate change harms biodiversity by destroying habitats on land and in oceans, causing coral bleaching and melting ice. Many species can't adapt fast enough, leading to extinction. Changing weather also spreads diseases and causes conflict. Losing biodiversity weakens ecosystems that support life and food security. Immediate action is critical. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming the modern workforce in remarkable ways. Machines and algorithms now perform tasks once done by humans, from data analysis to customer service and even medical diagnostics. While this has improved efficiency and reduced human error, it has also raised concerns about job loss and inequality. Economists suggest that automation will replace repetitive, routine jobs but create new roles that demand creativity, emotional intelligence, and technological skills. Many experts believe the focus should shift from fearing AI to adapting education and training systems to prepare workers for future demands. Thus, AI is not merely replacing humans, but redefining how we work and what skills matter in the digital economy. The lecture discussed how artificial intelligence is reshaping the job market by automating repetitive tasks and increasing efficiency. Although it may cause job losses, it also creates new opportunities that require creativity and tech skills. Experts suggest adapting education and training for future needs. Overall, AI is changing how people work rather than completely replacing them. If you found this practice useful, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps more learners find us. And for daily PTE tips, model answers, and prediction topics, subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a lesson. Comment below with your score goal, and I'll share a personalized study tip for you. Until next time, keep practicing and keep aiming higher. You've got this.